Men, this video is for you. Let's talk about something we don't talk about enough, men's health. Specifically what happens as we age. Men, if you're over 40 and feeling more tired, less motivated, or just not yourself, it could be something no one is really talking about. Low testosterone, or what doctors call andropause. This isn't about losing your manhood, it's about a natural shift in your hormones that can have a real impact on your life. This quiet change can affect your energy, your strength, your mood, even your self-confidence. You might feel like you're slowing down, losing your edge, and you might even start to blame yourself. But listen up, because you're not helpless. We're going to break down the signs of low testosterone, what causes it, and most importantly, what you can do to feel like yourself again. Stay with me. This is important. Alright, let's get into it. Testosterone. You've heard of it, right? It's basically the hormone that fuels male energy. It's what drives your muscle mass, your libido, your motivation, even your mood. It's what makes you feel like, well, you. Now here's the thing. Starting around age 30, your testosterone levels naturally begin to decline. Think about it like this. Your body is a well-oiled machine, but over time things start to shift a little. It's a gradual decline, about 1% per year. Not a huge deal at first, right? But by the time you hit 40 or 50, this decline can start to show up in some pretty frustrating and unexpected ways. You might brush it off as stress or just getting older, but it could be something else entirely. So how do you know if your testosterone levels are dipping below the healthy range? Well, there are some red flags to watch out for. First and foremost, low energy or chronic fatigue. You used to be able to power through the day, no problem, but now you're hitting a wall by lunchtime. Sound familiar? Another big one is brain fog or lack of motivation. That sharp mind of yours might feel a little fuzzy, and it's harder to focus or get things done. Maybe you're even feeling more irritable or down than usual. And in the gym, or even just in your daily life, you might notice some muscle loss or even some extra belly fat creeping in. And then there's the bedroom. Low libido or performance issues are definitely something to pay attention to. Look, these symptoms can be caused by a lot of things, but if you're experiencing several of them, it's time to stop blaming yourself, stress, or getting older and consider that it could be hormonal. Okay, so you're feeling a little more tired, a little less motivated. You might be thinking, is it really that big of a deal? Here's the thing, it's not just about feeling your best. Low testosterone can actually increase your risk of some serious health problems. We're talking about an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, even osteoporosis. And it doesn't stop there. Studies have shown a link between low testosterone and cognitive decline. No one wants to mess with their brain power, right? But here's the good news. There are things you can do about it. You don't have to just accept this as your new normal. There are natural ways to boost your testosterone levels and take control of your health. Alright, let's get practical. Here's what you can start doing today to naturally boost your testosterone levels. First up, hit the gym. And I'm not talking about just going through the motions. Focus on strength training, at least 3 times a week. Think big movements, squats, deadlifts, push-ups. These exercises are like rocket fuel for your testosterone. Next, prioritize sleep. I know life gets busy, but aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Deep sleep is when your body repairs itself and produces hormones, including testosterone. What you eat matters too. Focus on eating for your hormones. That means healthy fats like avocado, nuts, olive oil, plenty of protein, and foods rich in zinc and vitamin D. Think of it as fueling your body with the good stuff, and we can't forget about stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which is basically testosterone's arch nemesis. It suppresses testosterone production. So find ways to manage stress, whether it's breathing exercises, meditation, spending time in nature, whatever works for you. Finally, get tested. A simple blood test can measure your testosterone levels and give you a clear picture of where you stand. From there, your doctor can guide you on the best course of action, whether it's lifestyle changes or exploring medical options. Look guys, I get it. No one wants to feel weak, tired, or disconnected from their bodies, but here's the thing, your hormones don't define you. They're just one piece of the puzzle. But understanding them can help you regain your power. You have more control than you think. Start with one small change today. Get stronger, sleep better, eat smarter, and if you're not sure where to begin, talk to your doctor. Don't suffer in silence. You deserve to feel alive, focused, and powerful again. And I know you can get there. Guys, if this video helped you or someone you care about, do me a favor and hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's break the stigma around men's health and get the conversation started. And if you're ready to take control of your health, leave A in the comments below. Let's do this together. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more real, practical health tips. See you in the next video.